Show her. Show her.
Minnie!
Minnie Mouse. Wow. Tasha. Look, more presents here, Tasha. You got Minnie. Look.
Oh.
Look. Oh. It's a game.
I play it.
Cootie game. Cootie game.
I play it.
It's kind of like Mr. Potato Head. You put pieces in the cootie bug.
A car.
That's how you play. It's called cootie.
Here you go. In this one?
Tosh, you want to open some more presents?
Yeah.
Yeah, here, give a present to Tasha. Here, sweetie. Here you go. Here, Tasha. Here you go, Tasha. Here you go. That has your tea on it. Zombie. That's great. Oh, Tasha got a shirt too. Pretty. Pretty. Pretty shirt. Here. Oh, there she goes. It's okay. You can open them. That way. Blow, blow. Toot toot. Let Tasha try. Toot toot. Toot toot. Here. Put it on your mouth. Blow. Good. Toot toot. Just like a train. Toot toot. Good. Yeah.
She got a box.
Oh, here. I'll help. Here, Josh. What's in this box? Here, let her. Tasha, what's in there? What's in that box? Pull that out. Nemo. Nemo. Oh, boy. What's that? Give her a little help. I think she needs some help. Gray will help you open your presents, honey.
What's in that? What's in that?
Gummy bears? Here. Here. Move it.
Masha.
Here.
Look.
Do you know what it is?
Play-Doh.
Play-Doh. You guys can share the Play-Doh. You guys always share Play-Doh. Nice kids. Got any more? Any more over there? Oh, there's more. Grayson found more.
Ow, ow, ow.
Ah.
Ripley, no.
Choo-choo.
not a choo-choo. It's a bath toy choo-choo.
Oh, it's a bath choo-choo. Cool. Well, give it to her. Here. Here. What's that? Choo-choo. Bath choo-choo, Grayson says. Another one.
That's up.
Look.
What is it, Tasha? It's the first time, Tasha.
Oh, she's doing really good.
T is the first letter. Oh, I will help you now.
Ooh.
Look.
More choo-choos. More choo-choos.
But it's different.
Yeah, they're Chuggington choo-choos.
Hey. Try this.
Oh,
That.
you want that one?
Tasha.
Yeah.
Hey, Tasha.
Will you help us, Grace?
Hey,
Sorry.
Tasha. Hey, Tasha. Hey, Tasha.
Would you
Hey,
open
Tasha.
that, please?
Hey, Tasha. Hey, Tasha. Hey, Tasha. It's doing I'm opening this for you.
Here, Tasha, give that choo-choo to Daddy. Daddy will open it for you.
Oh, gosh.
There. Daddy will open it for you.
Oh, yes. She got a book.
Ah,
She got a book.
new book. Very good. You can read that to her. Look, Tashi. Choo-choos.
Check with coins again.
Wow.
It's the same.
Oh, that's from Aunt Lisa.
Yeah. Aunt Lisa.
Yeah, you want to help her open that?
Oh, no. Okay. You eat the stuff, fine.